Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Figma stuck on loading issues in 2026. If Figma keeps loading forever, shows a blank screen, or won't open your files, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection is one of the most common reasons Figma gets stuck loading. Next, refresh the page or restart the Figma desktop application. Temporary glitches can often be fixed with a quick restart. Now sign out of your Figma account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve account-related loading problems. If you're using Figma in a browser, clear your cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can prevent files and resources from loading correctly. Next, try opening Figma in a different browser or an incognito window to rule out browser-related issues. Now disable VPN services, proxy settings, or browser extensions that may interfere with Figma's connection to its servers. If you're using the desktop app, make sure it's updated to the latest version available. Next, check whether other Figma files open normally. This can help determine if the issue is affecting one file or your entire account. Now restart your computer and reconnect to the internet to refresh system and network processes. Finally, wait a few minutes and try again, as temporary server issues can occasionally cause loading delays. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Figma stuck on loading issues. Figma should now load properly and give you access to your files without delays. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.